Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix backspace, spacebar and enter keys are not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Keyboard. Turn off sticky keys and filter keys. Second method, right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboard, right-click Keyboard, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Keyboard, right-click Keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Adware Cleaner in browser search bar, click Adware Cleaner. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.